Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey, listen, just wanted to share with you all a video on my 20-volt Dewalt batteries. I use them every day actually, and I had to go with on a different route. I had to purchase some batteries, some knockoff batteries, and the reason being is the price, like everything else nowadays. Some of these guys, you know, they don't. This one's 2019. They charge and then they don't last long. This one only charges up to the two little dots there. It's a 9 amp hour flex. This one doesn't work anymore. Waste of money, I mean, on this one. I mean, so much money on this batteries. You know, this one don't work no more. So I decided to go on a different route and purchase some of this you know, knockoff batteries and give them a try and see how they go. As much as I like Dewalt, I mean, I have a bunch of tools. This one don't work, see? Well, kind of works sometimes. This is the 4 amp, and I have a whole bunch of them throughout. This is a power stack. This one don't work at all. What a waste. I have 2 of these. Same thing. This is a 9 amp, huge battery, very heavy. This one works okay, but like I said, it only charges up to two dots. So, you know, for the, I said I'm gonna give this 20 volt 12 amp hour batteries, which I don't know, it seems too much for these batteries, but anyway, they do work. They fit real nice, you know. They're not real easy to go. This part right here is real nice, and you know. So I got 4 of these guys for $107, I think. $107 for 4 batteries. Now they're very sleek, very sleek to the touch. Again, more yellow than yellow. I guess there's no brand on the batteries, but hey, there were good reviews. So, and I already charged all of them again. I mean, they were, when I got them, they were fully charged, but I just charged them as per the instructions, and yes, they took charge, so they should be all fully charged now. The thing with batteries is that you invest, and I'm sorry for this is dirty, but you invest in tools, which I do have a whole bunch of tools. I haven't tried this on this tool, for example. This is a sheet metal cutting tool. Works good. You invest all this money on these tools, and then you know, the batteries give up, and that's the problem. And batteries are expensive, let me tell you. This is just a saw, reciprocating saw. You know, and not hard to get out. And you know, to go buy two of these guys, I mean, I don't know how much they are, but it's too expensive, you know. So try this ones out, how they come out. You know, I don't know how long they're gonna last. That's why I want to do this video, just to this is a grinder. That's one. Let's take another one. There were good reviews on the product. So that's why I ordered 4 of them. So for $107 plus tax for 4 batteries. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of tools, you know. So the thing is that I'm already up to my neck on the tools, right? But the problem are the batteries. They're just too expensive. So we're gonna see if how this guy's turn on, you know. So far so good. You guys want to check back in a month? I want to do a monthly review on them. We're gonna put the date. I'm gonna put the date on them right here, and just use them. And I use these batteries. I'm off grid, so I use these batteries every day. One of the things as well is that now here we have the Blue Eddy AC180. Everything I bought with my own money. Nobody has given me anything. So here we have 2 types of 20-volt Dewalt chargers, and you know, it was pretty good. I mean, I charged them batteries. They go in and out real quick, and both of them charging pretty good. Like I said, I fully charged them already. Let me just give you a closer look at them. Put some pictures at the end of the video, like I said. But they're very smooth, as far as the feel. They don't have this. Here, let me just put 2 of these together here. They don't have this grip here, this part where you can hold them. They're very smooth and very. There you go. But hey, for the way things are nowadays, and for the money, I mean, you know, let's try it. And I'm sure they're gonna work with this guy. This is my 20-volt. I'm not gonna shoot any nails right now, but this is my 20-volt framing nail gun. This is the DCN 920 cordless plastic nail gun. Okay, this is the 21-degree plastic I'm sure it's gonna go. I just don't wanna. Oh, it's got no nails on the cartridge. But yeah, as you can see, I have a whole bunch of tools. So I'm gonna try these guys out and see how they go. You know. I'll put a link in the description. Supposedly there's good reviews on them. I'm gonna come back and do another video at a month, at 3 months, and maybe at 6 months, and then hopefully within a year they're still around. And I'll let you guys know how good they are. If they're good at all. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Hope this video helps somebody. But sometimes you just gotta, you know, just take that route, you know, and this guy's very expensive, but if this will do the job, I'll go with it. Thank you all. So it came on this box, and it had a plastic bag with another box inside, and let's see, quick, it's just the way I kind of peeked into it, but there they are. There's 4 of them. Let me just show you on this one. Let's see if I can just a little bit. Sorry about that. It's like a super yellow color. But hey, this deal is very soft. Supposed to fully charge, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge them right now anyway. But I'll put some pictures at the end of the video. This is the unboxing.